Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you guys a really awesome, simple, easy coffee recipe that my childhood friend from Boston's mom used to make. Okay guys, so you're going to need your favorite instant coffee. This is my favorite instant coffee right here. You're going to need a cup of ice and you're going to need some milk. You're going to also need your favorite mug or tumbler. I'm gonna do it in a clear mug just to show you guys the result. You'll need your favorite blender. I love this blender. It's called Wolf. It has all these different types of settings. And today we're gonna be using the ice crush setting. So to begin, I'm gonna take a cup of ice and I'm gonna dump it into the blender. The next step is pretty important. I'm gonna take a spoonful of my favorite instant coffee. And if you like your coffee really bitter, feel free to take more than a spoonful, but you don't want to put too much to the point where it just tastes disgusting. I'm gonna take 1 cup of milk and I'm gonna dump it into the blender. And so the thing that I really adore about this blender is that it will do everything for me. So I'm gonna change it to the setting to ice crush, and that takes about a minute. And I'm gonna press. If you want, you can also add some sugar for some sweetness. Time to drink it. I have plenty of leftovers if you want to serve it to someone else, but you can also just stick it into your fridge and save it for tomorrow.